Hello everyone, I am Dr. Eric Morrison. This is 7 Under 3, and I'll be covering trading education, more specifically Forex swing trading, using the TC2000 platform. Hello, this is the Forex weekly report on the 3rd of September at 4 p.m. Central Time. Starting off with the Aussie dollar, Canadian dollar. As we look here, we had a trade here that was right on the money. Once you want to go ahead and buy that, Heikin-Ashi was in agreement, so it had the target up here at the RL270. No further trade the rest of the week. Aussie dollar, Swiss franc, no trade here. Heikin-Ashi not in agreement. Heikin-Ashi not in agreement. We had two candles north of the RL10, 1 to 3 punch out. Aussie dollar, Japanese yen, had initial trade here for a 1, 2, 3 punch out. Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar, still pretty erratic here. No trade starting Sunday. This was green, but the Heikin-Ashi was red. Initial trade here, another trade, and then out for a loss on the third day here. Initial trade here, and risk to reward on the RL90 was 0. So it was a scratch, or if you stayed in, it was loss. No further trade the rest of the week. Aussie dollar, US dollar, 1, 2, 3 punch out. Canadian dollar, Swiss franc. There's an initial trade here, out for a small loss here on this trade. No trade here. Heikin-Ashi not in agreement. And below the RL10, this was also not in agreement. But we did have initial trade here, and we were out at the 200 to end the week. Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, just kind of hovered around the 200 and no trade at all. As you were one trade here with a small scratch loss here on Friday. Swiss franc, Japanese yen, again another type of consolidation here. This looks like a head and shoulders formation here with more potential to the downside, but we'll see. Failed collapsing dragon, but this could just be extended out. We'll see if that is the case. So no trade here for Sunday. Initial trade here, out for a small loss here. No trade, no trade. No trade the rest of the week. This is below the RL10. Euro Aussie dollar, Monday trade. Red Heikin-Ashi, no trade. Then we had a 1, 2, 3 punch out to end the week. Euro Canadian dollar, had initial trade here on Sunday, out for a loss. No trade. Initial trade here, and then out for a loss on Thursday. Euro British pound, also choppy. Green Heikin-Ashi, this was a harami, so as far as the benefit of the doubt, if you did take it, you would have been out for a loss here at the time. I did not. Initial trade here, another trade here for a 1, 2, 3 punch out. Euro Japanese yen, a 1, 2, 3 punch out. Euro New Zealand dollar, Sunday no trade. Nice 1, 2. Nope, no trade the rest of the week. All above, week short. Could be a collapsing dragon here on the larger scheme here. This gets below, it's another collapsing dragon. Euro US, Friday, Sunday, out for a loss here, and then a 1, 2, and then out on the RL270 to close out the rest of the week. Nice game. British pound, Aussie dollar, nice 1, 2, 3 punch out. British pound dollar, very choppy. So initial trade here, out for a loss, no trade, and no trade the rest of the week. British pound, Swiss franc, no trade. Initial trade here, out for a loss, no trade. Initial trade here, out at the 200. This is a green doji, but it was above the RL10. British pound, Japanese yen. Initial trade here on Thursday, out for a small loss on Friday. British pound, New Zealand dollar, had two red candles south of the RL10, and then out for a small gain here. So 1, 2, 3 punch out. No further trade the rest of the week. British pound, US dollar. Initial trade here, out for a loss here at the small end here at the low of this candle. Then a 1, 2 out at 200. New Zealand Canadian dollar. Initial trade here, out for a gain here on the 200. 2 candle rule, in, out for the third on this candle. Good trade. New Zealand Swiss franc, initial trade here on Monday for 1, 2, 3 punch out. New Zealand Japanese yen, Thursday we had a trade for 1, 2 punch out. New Zealand US dollar, same thing, Thursday, out Friday. US Canadian dollar, Thursday, out Friday. No trade north of the RL10. As you can see, going back down to the 200. US dollar, Swiss franc, very choppy. 2 candles here, out for a small loss here, comes right back up here, and out for a 1, 2, out at the RL270. No further trade the rest of the week. Oh, we did have a short trade here. This was below. Calculated, hit the 200 for a nice 1-2 out to close out the rest of the week on US dollar Swiss franc. US dollar Japanese yen, again, choppy itself. Two red candles south the R10 out for a loss. Initial candle here, out for a loss here. No further trade the rest of the week. Silver gaining steam to the upside. Long candle here. Same kind of thing with gold. It looks like it's just kind of hovering here for a catapult formation to go to the upside. We still have the large cup and handle here we still have potential upside up to about the 1860 level at this point. We'll see. Well, folks, that's all I have for the Forex Week in Review. We're currently conducting a Forex Bootcamp and a Forex Intermediate course, and we're conducting a Forex Auto Programming or Robot Development course. If you're interested, click on the link below. And remember, ruthless risk management. Have a great weekend, everybody, and I'll see you on Sunday. Well, if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button below and the subscribe button. And if you want more information on TC2000, I have an affiliate link below. If you open up a TC2000 account, you will receive a $25 discount using that link. Thank you for your time.